No.
Got him.
You keep standing against the wall.
And here we have the wild man in his natural habitat, recording his exterior view.
They put some new signage up in here. This-
That's how you get upstairs.
Shocker, Amazon's the one that needs a note.
All right.
We'll let Dan do the honors.
New elevator.
Yep, 734 Westport.
734 Westport.
I'll push the buttons real quick.
You probably just heard the main attraction here.
Yep.
Yep. Hopefully 2 is unlocked so you can go all the way out.
I do know this thing.
Yeah, you've been on it. It's just been a real long time.
It smells like, it definitely smells in
I'm
here.
not gonna die.
Somebody hotboxed this thing. Like, seriously. It smells like somebody just lit up a joint. It lit, I mean, not that I know what that smells like. But
Oh, 2 is open. Nice. That's kind of rare.
that's, there's a US label down there. Back to G, because definitely want to get that motor again.
Someone modded this a long time ago.
Yeah, there's like a
Midwest
little,
takes care of it now.
yeah, just like a little circle line or Upco Classic or whatever slap on mod.
But yeah, goofy thing with US is that they only had like one kind of, fixture. They're all buttons. They just use them as indicators sometimes.
Short, but
Isn't that funny?
it's pretty funny.
They've done such a nice job at this place, though.
Yeah,
That's
that's
it.
it.